intimidate with guns and those hot waters and others, they should bear in mind that the party MPP cut across all persons in Ghana here. It is not only accounts. They can do that with accounts. I am a Northern. I am a Frafra by tribe from Bolga, and I'm saying that we will not take those intimidations. Manga kabo yeta wana yelma kala yelka mang vurke tum vurke. Baba kabo mo yelka mang inga de Ghana nera Ghana man de Ghana nera. So te yeti Ghana ruma senza yelka maya. Eji, the Eji is my own brother. I wouldn't sunga. Teba part let's put sanka tuna.
I don't understand the language, but I want to believe that you are making
understand.
You are not making
vibrant sense to the AG who might be standing in to do the litigation for them. That, let me put it in his L1, his mother tongue, that is Dr. Dominic Ayine, that Hosan Botason, Tonson, Hosanka Botason, Bolga East, Lam Huana Pa Ankarawa. To my get to see it, get back to her age, let your mama, Tantaragana Manama, Tankira Pata Point, it's about sale. They can sack Zina, they can sack Bere. Basanta Panga, Baking Boko. If there is a competent MP